Good morning, dear children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, how are you?
Fine.
Do you remember what we learned the last class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Have
ma'am.
sent notes. I
Yes,
hope
ma'am.
all of you read that notes.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you read it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
What we learned the last class?
Resources.
I don't need mass answering.
Resource.
I don't need mass answering. Only one. Go be Krishna.
Yes,
What we
ma'am.
learned the last class, dear?
On the basis of natural resources.
First, we learned what is resource, right?
Ah,
What is
yes.
resources? Right, very good. What is resources? What is resource? Gopi Krishna, can you hear me?
Ah, yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is a resource?
Any substance that can be used to satisfy a need is a resource.
Very good. Any substances that can be used to satisfy a need is called resource. Examples?
Examples.
Any resource, anything. Where you are sitting?
Chair, house.
Chair is a resource, right? Any object that can be used to satisfy a need as a resource. Any objects. Okay. Then next we learned classification of resources, right? What are the main classification of resources? Shivanya, what are the main classification of resources?
Ma'am, natural resources,
Natural resources.
human resources,
Yes.
human-made resources.
Very good, very good. Natural resources, human resources, and human-made resources. Very good. Then, you know what is natural resource?
Yes, ma'am.
Krishna Veni, what do you mean by natural resource?
Resources that are drawn from nature and used without much
Very good.
modification.
Resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification. Very good, dear. Very good. Then, what is natural resources you learned? Then, what are the classification of natural resources? Right? Natural resources has been again classified into 4. What are they?
Actual resource,
Actual resources and potential resources. Very good. Then,
renewable and non-renewable.
renewable and non-renewable. Good. Then,
Abiotic and biotic.
abiotic and biotic. Very good.
Antibiotic. Oh, you. Ma'am,
Yes.
fourth one's name is a little bit hard.
Localized and ubiquitous. Right?
Yeah, that one you be.
Okay, okay, very good. Okay. Anyway, you learned it. I feel very happy. All of you learned last class portions, right? Okay, very good, dear children. Very good. The next we are going to discuss about human-made resources, right? Resources are classified into 3: natural resources, human-made resources, and human resources. First classification we completed, right? Natural resources. Next classification is human-made resources. What is human-made resources? You know that.
The
Where
resources
the
we
human
made.
Sorry,
The
one.
resources that we human made.
Resources are created by human beings are called human-made resources. Very good. Got the point? Resources are created by human beings with our knowledge, with our skill. These resources are called human-made resources. Can you give an example of human-made resource?
Ma'am, medicines.
Medicines. Very good. Then
Ma'am, chair.
chair. Very good. Okay.
Ma'am, vehicles.
Vehicles. Very good.
Factories.
Ma'am, furnitures.
Furnitures and
Ma'am,
all this
mobile phone,
technology
mobile
is
phone.
also human-made
Ma'am, mobile phone.
resources.
Mobile phone.
laptop,
Yes, 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 yes. All answers are correct. Very good. Technology is also a human-made resources, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You are watching classes through.
Mobile
You're using this technology, right? New technology.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, this is also human-made resource. You understood what is human-made resource, right? Do I need to
Yes,
explain
ma'am.
again?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
No.
Next and final classification of resources, human resources. Human resources means we, human beings, are the most important and valuable resources. Clear? Human
Yes,
beings
ma'am.
are considered as the most important and valuable resource. Why are humans are considered as the most important valuable resources?
Ma'am, for
Because we
education,
can
health.
make other
Education,
Ma'am,
health.
education, health.
Education and help.
Abhinav,
Hello, ma'am.
why are humans considered as an important and valuable resource?
Ma'am, because human can create so many things like
Very good, because with the help of our knowledge, skill, we are able to create more resources, right?
yes, ma'am, like technology and
We have potential to multiply our resources. We have potential to create more resources. That's why
yes, ma'am.
human beings are considered as the most important and valuable resources. Very good, dear children. Yeah, very
Thank you,
cooperative
ma'am.
and very good. Okay. Then we completed classification of resources, right? Natural resources, human-made resources, and human resources. Next important point we are going to focus from this lesson is conservation of resources, conserving resources. What do you mean by conservation of resources?
I'm using of your resources.
Conserve, what is the word meaning of conserve?
Ma'am.
Conserve?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, saving of resources.
Saving, good Shivanya, saving or protect, right? Protect our resources. What is the meaning of this conserving resources? Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed. Clear? Using resources, use the present day resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed. Some resources, once it get over, it will take time to be get renewed, right? So giving them time to get renewed. This is conservation of resources. Clear? Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed. Clear? There are 3 ways through which we can conserve our resources. Have you heard about 3 R's? Have you studied
Yes,
3
ma'am.
R's? What
Yes,
are
ma'am.
they? What are they?
Recycle, reuse,
Recycle, reuse,
Reduce, reuse, recycle.
reduce.
reduce consumption, recycle and reuse, right? These are the 3 methods we can follow for conservation of resources. Very good. Okay, then conservation of resources, it's okay, right?
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
I need to explain it again?
Ma'am, can I explain again?
Yes,
Conserving,
sure,
can you-
dear, sure. Conservation of resources means using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed. What it is? Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed. That means you can use our resources carefully, but use carefully, right? And giving them time to get renewed. That means use your resources carefully. Understood the meaning of resource conservation?
Yes, ma'am.
Protect our resources.
yes, ma'am.
There are 3 ways through which we can conserve our resources. It means reduce consumption, recycle, and reuse. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
You want to
ma'am.
copy down notes?
Yes.
Ma'am, we were copying down.
You copied. Very good. You're very fast. Okay. Then next topic, relate with this resource conservation. One word is there, that is sustainable development. What is the word?
Sustainable
development. What is sustainable development? Sustainable development means we can use the resources. We can use resources in such a manner that will be available in future. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
We can use present day resources in such a manner that will be available in future. When we use resources, make sure that that will be available for a future generation. Don't exploit our natural resources. You can use it carefully and make sure that it will be available in future.
Okay.
Clear? That is sustainable development. Use present day resources in such a manner that will be available in future. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
What is sustainable development?
Ma'am, can you explain again?
Yes, sure. I'll show you one slide. Then it will be easy for you. Sustainable development. Can you see the slide?
Ma'am, it's very small.
It's very small. I have to enlarge it. Okay. Now, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Carefully utilizing resources so that beside meeting the requirement of the present, also take care of future generation. Means we should keep all these resources for our future generation. Is it clear now? Ashmit, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ashmit, tell me, what is sustainable development?
I'm just
Don't
we can
read the same point. Tell me what you understood from the word
can
sustainable
use
development.
resources in a way that we can also use it for the future.
Very good. We can use our present day resources in such a manner that will be available in future and keep something for a future generation. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
It's okay. Okay, can I ask some questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Then today we learned what is human-made resources, what is human
Human.
resource, conserving resources, and sustainable development, right?
Yes,
4 concepts we learned today. I'll ask you one by one. I don't need mass answering.
Okay, ma'am.
What is human-made resource? What is human-made resource? Gino, are you there? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is human-made resource, Gino?
Human-made resource means the things created by humans.
Resources are created by human beings are known as human-made resources. Examples?
Example, machines,
Machines. Then any other examples are there?
vehicle, electronics items,
Electronic
electronics
items.
items.
Okay, very good. Then
Then chair, table,
chair, table, all these resources. Very good. Okay. Okay. Mute your audio. The next is, what is human resource? Shivanand, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
What is human resource?
Human resource when they have the knowledge, skill, and the technology to create.
Why are human beings are considered as the most important and valuable resource?
Because they have knowledge, skills, and help the
They have knowledge and skill. With this knowledge and skill, what they are doing?
they are trying to make
They are? Yes, continue.
they create
They are creating more resources, right? With the help of knowledge and skill, they are creating more resources. Very good, very good. Okay. Then what is conserving resources? What do you mean by conservation of resources? I will ask Steve, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
What is conservation of resources?
Using resources carefully and give them time to renew.
Use resources carefully and giving them time to get
Renewed.
renewed. Very good. Then what is sustainable development? Who is using, who is Tia? Tia. Your name is Tia, right?
Yes, ma'am.
You're a new student?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Tia, tell me what is sustainable development?
Balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for for the future is called a sustainable resources.
Okay, this balancing, right? You can use the resources and keep something for future generation, right? Keep the same for future generation. It's very good. I hope all of you understood all these concepts. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. I'll share a screen with you. Then if you want to note down important points, you can note down from the slides. It's human-made resources. What is human-made resource? Have you got your textbook? Geography?
Yes, ma'am.
You got
No,
it?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Some
ma'am.
of you
No,
have
ma'am.
got. Okay.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No,
No,
some
ma'am.
of you didn't get it. Okay, no problem. Go through these points. Human-made resources means resources created by human beings are called human-made resources. For example, buildings, roads, machinery, and technology. Clear? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, what is the next one?
Human resource.
Human resources. Human beings are the most valuable and a special resource. Education, health, and skills are the important factors making the people to become a valuable resource. Conserving resources. What is conserving resources?
Using it carefully and
Using
giving the time to renew.
them to
Giving
get
them time
renewed.
to get renewed. Very good.
Renew.
Very good. Sustainable development. Carefully utilizing resources so that beside meeting the requirement of the present, also take care of future generations. Clear?
Ma'am.
Then next is, there are some principles. There are some principles of sustainable development. We have to follow some principles for sustainable development. Let us discuss what are they. Some principles are there. We have to follow all this principle for sustainable development or for the conservation of resources. What are they? Careful utilization of resources. We all know, right? Careful utilization of resources. Minimize the depletion of natural resources. Depletion of natural resources. Then bring awareness. Create awareness among people about the importance of conserving resources. Improve the quality of human life. Then only we can improve the quality. How can we improve the quality? With our education, right? And knowledge. Then only we will be able to create more resources. So improve the quality of human life. These are the important principles we have to follow for sustainable development.
Ma'am, can we write this?
If you want to note down, you can do it.
Thank you,
You
ma'am.
have textbook, you can mark the same points in your textbook. I think all are using lecture notes.
Yes, ma'am.
You know how to write lecture points, right? Yes, we have already practiced this in 6th standard. Akila? Akila is there?
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
This is 8C. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is this, history or geography? What is it?
Geography.
Sir.
Geography.
I hope all of you noted down all these points, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We discussed almost all the important concepts from this lesson. Then I'm going to ask you some questions. Are you ready?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Steve. Steve,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me what is resource?
Ma'am,
Yes.
resources means
Yes.
things that we use to satisfy our needs.
Any object that can be used to satisfy a need is called resource.
Resource.
Okay. Any examples?
Ma'am, phone,
Phone. Then
car,
cars. Then books, fan,
books.
chair, table. All these are resources, right?
Yes.
Okay. Then Alana. Alana, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What are the important classification of resources?
Natural resource, human resource, human-made resource.
Natural resource, human resource, and human-made
Human-made.
resource. Very good. Thomas Chaco.
Ma'am, yes.
Okay. What is natural resource?
Resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification is called natural resource.
Very good. Resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification is called natural resources. Very good. Then Anlia.
Yes,
Natural
ma'am.
resources has been again classified into 4, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Explain one classification of natural resources.
Biotic.
Okay. This classified on the basis of what? Sorry.
Non-living things.
Sorry.
Non-living resources.
Natural resources are classified into 4. First one on the basis of what?
Ma'am, last class I was not there, ma'am.
Last class you were not there. Okay. I have sent notes. Go through the notes. If you have any doubt, you can ask me next class. Okay. Otherwise, you can call me. Okay. Michelle, can you hear me?
Yes.
Michelle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then tell me classification of natural resources. One classification.
Ma'am, development and use.
Very good. On the basis of development and use. Okay. What are the classification?
Ma'am, actual resources, potential resources.
Actual resource and potential resources. Then tell me what is actual resource and what is potential resource?
Actual resources are the resources which are
Yes.
Ma'am, last place I was not able to write that.
Then I have sent notes.
Yes, ma'am, I have gone through that, but I forgot to write it.
Then Midun.
Yes, ma'am.
Natural resources classified on the basis of
Actual resources
actual
and potential.
resource. What is actual resource and potential resource?
They are used quantity is known in the present.
Yes. Then what is potential resource?
Potential they are used quantity may not be known and used
Quantity
in
may
the
not be
future.
known in the present, right?
Yes, and they are used in the future.
Okay, they will be used in the future. Okay.
Try to talk properly, good English. And there is no excuse that you didn't write or you didn't attend. That is a very lame excuse. You should all know the lesson, especially when ma'am has sent you the notes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, that fourth one on the base of distribution, ma'am, can you explain it again?
Distribution, it is localized and ubiquitous, right? On the basis
That
of
one you haven't explained. Yes.
localized and ubiquitous.
Yes.
Localized means resources that are found, that means some resources that are found everywhere, right? That is known as, these resources are known as ubiquitous. Some resources are found everywhere. For example, air, water, soil. Clear?
Ma'am.
Okay. Some resources are found in a particular places, not everywhere. Some particular area. It's called localized resources. Some resources are found everywhere, some resources are found in a particular area. For example, some minerals, not found everywhere. Clear, Shivanya?
Yes, ma'am.
Some resources are found everywhere, for example, air, water, soil. Some resources are found in particular places, a particular area.
Okay, ma'am.
Then, Alna, can you hear me? Alna John?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then what is the next classification of natural resources on the
Ma'am.
basis of origin?
Ma'am, abiotic and biotic.
Biotic and abiotic. What is? Explain what it is.
Ma'am, non-living resources, abiotic, non-living resources like rocks.
Yes.
Then biotic, living resources like plants and
All
animals.
living resources are known as. Okay, very good.
Bye.
Then Abhishek. Can you hear me, Abhishek?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next classification of resources based on stock.
Renewable and non-renewable resources.
Renewable and non-renewable resources. Explain it.
Renewable resource, the resource that are available to get back again. Example,
That are
water
available
and
to get
soil.
back again. Okay, very good. Then non-renewable
The resource are not able to get back again.
resources. Once it's get over, it will take time to get renewed, right? Sometimes
Yes,
it won't get back. Okay, very good. Then next is human. This classification of natural resource completed. Then next resource classification is human-made resource. Then what is human-made resource? Krishnaveni, what is human-made resource?
Ma'am,
Yes.
the resource created by human made.
Resources are created by human beings are called human-made resources. Very good. Then what is human resource? Why are humans are considered as the most important and valuable resource?
Ma'am, because the human means have knowledge and they invent new technologies.
Very good, because they create more technology. We have potential to multiply our resources. We have potential to create more resources with our knowledge, skill, right? So we are the most important and valuable resource. Then what do you mean by conserving resources? Gopi Krishna, not Gopi Krishna, Adnan. Adnan, can you hear me? Adnan, can you hear me?
Ma'am.
Okay. What is conserving resources?
Conserving resources.
Yes. What is conserving resources?
Conserving. Ma'am, I don't know.
From the word itself, we get the meaning of this, right? Conserving resources. What is the word meaning of conserve?
Saving.
Saving, protecting, right? Then what is conserving resources? Adnan, I'm asking you. What is conserving resources? I give the meaning of the word conserve. Conserve means protect. Then what is conserving resources?
Protecting the resources.
Protecting the resources. Protecting the resources means?
Protecting the plants and
Protect our resources, right? How
Yes.
can we protect our resources? Adnan, are you listening the class?
Yes.
Then, how can we protect our resources? I gave simple 3 ways for the protection of resources, for the conservation of resources. What are they? Who will answer my question? What are they? 3 ways. Very good.
Ma'am, Midun.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, using resources carefully and giving time to renew.
Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed, right? Adnan, are you
Yes,
listening
ma'am.
this?
Yes.
Okay, using resources and giving them time to get renewed. What is conserving resource, Adnan?
Giving time to renewable resource.
Giving time to get renewed. Use resources carefully. Use it very carefully.
Yes,
Don't exploit our natural resources. Use it carefully. Okay.
Yes.
Reduce the consumption of natural resources. Clear? We can use it, but very carefully. What are the 3 ways for the conservation of natural resources?
Ashmit, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, in the beginning, it was said that the meaning of resources is those things that satisfy our needs. That's what I think you said in the class.
Not me.
Whoever it was. Do you agree with that?
Yes.
Resources are things that satisfy our wants. Is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now I ask you one doubt. Do you think that these resources must satisfy our wants directly? Like we directly means we get grains. They satisfy our wants directly. Now there are resources. Do you think there are resources that don't satisfy our wants directly?
Yes, sir.
Can you give me an example?
Sir, you said that grains, we need to first plant it, then let it grow. then-
Grains, okay. What about, other things, abiotic things, like iron, for instance?
Yes, sir, we have to take the iron and make the...
How do they satisfy our wants then? Not directly.
We need to give them time to get to...
What do we do with iron, for instance? One example. We use iron in what? Do we use iron in buildings?
Yes.
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 So they are satisfying our wants indirectly by making a house, a building, and so on, isn't it? So
Yes, sir.
resources also consist of those things which help to produce other things. Do you follow?
Yes, sir.
May not be directly satisfying, so they are also called resources. For
They are
instance,
indirectly satisfying our needs.
they are directly or indirectly. For instance, your teacher. Can we call the teacher as a resource? What about the teacher or the doctor? Are they resources?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we call them resource
Yes.
persons. Resource
Because
persons.
they help us.
They
Teachers help
satisfy our
us in
wants.
getting educated. Doctors help us in getting.
Teacher gets you knowledge. So they are all resources. Okay? Okay,
sir.
carry on with the class. Thank you.
Dear children, I hope today you understood today's portion.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Go through the points and be thorough with it. Okay.
Okay,
By
ma'am.
heart all the points. Understand and learn it. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
I think it's the time to wind up the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, I'll send
Thank you, ma'am.
assignment. Okay, do it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Thank you,
thank you.
dear children. Thank you for your cooperation.
Thank you, ma'am.